We are going to talk about task lists. Now there's two areas in Team CarePal where you can utilize and create task lists. One of them is in the calendar section, so we're going to go through that right now. When you click on calendar, say you have an event coming up, like I know Ben is going to have surgery at the end of this month. It's just a day surgery. But we are definitely going to need some support from family and friends for it. So we're going to say it's an all-day event. We're going to make it public. The event is going to be at the hospital. The details, all-day surgery. But instead of just saving the event, we're actually going to create a task list for it. And that's at the bottom there. And so the task list the task list will pop up in the task list area for everybody to see or for specific people to see. I've made it public, so everybody will automatically see this task list. So I am going to say surgery day help. There we are. So the details are any help with these tasks while I am with Ben would be great. There we are. So now we know that the event is linked to the surgery day event. So we're going to add our tasks. So right away, I think, well, we have two kids, Matt and I. So we're going to need somebody to pick up our kids from school. I am keeping these all very simple for the tutorial, but you guys can make them as, detailed as you want. And so close, so we're going to save the task for that. And then we are going to need somebody to let the dog out because he's not going to be able to last all day. So we're going to save that task as well. And then we'd also really love it if somebody can bring daughter to piano lessons, because that's going to be a big one. She's also going to need to go to piano lessons after school. And then that's pretty much it. I mean, I think those are all kind of the tasks. So when you save a task list, now when somebody were to, if they click on the front, they realize, oh, surgery day's coming up and I've been asked to attend. You could go in. See, I'm already getting notifications. You can go in and you can kind of see, but you can also see at the top there that there is a task list area. So you could actually go in and review all the tasks for this task list, or you can also see it in available tasks area. So if you go to your task list, you can see them. They're already there. They're made public for everyone. And you know what? I love dogs. So if I were a dog person, I would definitely be, yes, I want to take the dog out. So I have taken that task and now it is mine to do. Another way to do it is if you wanted to create just a simple task list, but there's no event. This is where you would create a task list from here. So say you wanted to create a task list like a work bee. You're having people over. You guys are going to be going through, the garage, your dad's garage, to help him clean it up for the winter, say. Or maybe it's a garage sale. Let's do a garage sale. Those are always fun. Lots of treasures at garage sales. There, so we're going to have a garage sale at Nana's, to help her declutter. If you can from here add to an event, if you had one already created and you built a task list later, or you could do it right into the event. So you could do it from both sides. So it's really flexible, cool feature. You could add as many guests as you would like. I don't think I have many. Or you can make it public, and making it public makes it so everyone can see. Again, I kind of want to make it public. And so what would my task be for a garage sale? I need some of those, someone to bring garage sale signs. And then what are the dates going to be for this? So yeah, no, it's too cold. We're so not doing that. Let's say end of April. That sounds like a good time to do a garage sale. We need some garage sale signs, and we need some money. So we need a little change purse to give people back their change. And again, nope, too cold. There we go, save task. And so when I say save, now it's available for everybody, and everybody gets to see. They can click on that work bee, they can read about the details, and those types of things. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that you can do task lists from both the calendar side of things when you create an event, or you can do it right in the tasks area for all your friends and family to see and help out with and stay organized with. I hope that helps.